What's up, MYCrew? So right now I am currently on the way to Miles' dorm, and he doesn't know this, but I'm going to be pranking him today. I've been thinking about like all types of pranks that I could do to like, you know, actually fool him because he is not easily shaken by things. So basically I'm gonna do this, like, I don't know what to call it, like a, you know, really bad period prank or something like that. I really don't know what to call it, but basically what I'm gonna do is I know it's not Halloween, so probably won't be able to find like Halloween blood, but I was thinking of maybe like stopping by a Walmart or something. Sorry, this road is really bumpy, but stopping by like a Walmart, and if I can't find any fake blood, then I'm thinking of getting like gelatin, like they have like powdered gelatin, and I'm just gonna kind of like mix that up and like then add blood to it so it kind of has like lumps in it. So I was gonna get the gelatin, mix it together, add food coloring to it, and then just like put it all over the toilet seat, all in the toilet, and I'm gonna somehow like convince him to go in the bathroom, maybe, you know, because I left something. I don't know what I'm gonna do, just to make him go in the bathroom, and I'm gonna probably like act like I'm really sick, and that, you know, I'm having cramps and stuff really bad, and just kind of like, you know, egg it on, so that he's like thinks it's like actually like blood. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. I don't know how I'm gonna hide my phone camera, because I don't know if I'm gonna use like the back or the front, to see, so I can like actually see what's going on, but then that might make it obvious to him. So yeah, I'll figure out a way to hopefully be able to like to hide the camera without him like actually seeing it, and so that you guys can actually see his reaction. So like, I'm really excited. Go ahead and hit that like button for more. Me and Miles are really like trying to put out videos that are unique to us, like making up our own pranks. Obviously some of them are going to be like pranks that are probably like really common and really good, like that just continue to be funny and entertaining to everybody. So just go ahead and hit that like button. In the comments below, put like different pranks that you think that I can get him back with, or that he can get me with. Yeah, so let's see how this goes. So I just came from out of Walmart, and I bought like red gel, food coloring. Like, I thought gel would look more like blood instead of like the regular liquidy kind. And then I got some unflavored gelatin, and so I'm gonna put this in my bag so he can't see it when I go to his dorm, or get to his dorm, and we'll just see how that goes. So yeah. So Miles just left, so I have to hurry up and go like super fast. I'm taking off my jacket so he doesn't like just think that I'm like, you know, suspicious or whatever. And I'm gonna try to hide the camera. I don't know how I'm gonna hide this. Maybe like right here. Let's see. Gelatin. I may have put too much water, so now I'm adding a little more gelatin so it clumps up. Just, you can't see it, but yeah, cool. So so you can see what it looks like. Just have it all like over the floor. Tissue. So yeah. Okay, so that was just Miles. That was just Miles. He is taking forever, but anyway, so I put some in here just to make it seem like I'm like washing my hands off, and then I have like little drips. I don't know how realistic this looks. I got like my hands are all like messy and like this, toilet all messy. Just looks like I had like a huge explosion of blood, so I'm hoping when he gets in here out some cleaning supplies to make people just like, oh my god, this is really a mess. Hey,
What's wrong? What is that?
I started bleeding.
Where?
I got it everywhere.
From
I'm bleeding.
Did you not know it was coming home?
I told you I thought I knew, but I didn't know it was gonna be this bad. Can you help me?
Why did you put it under the chest this bad?
Can you help me clean it up?
Yeah. Why did you put it under the trash bag?
What do you mean under?
In the
What?
oh, that was easy. What did you?
Can you help me?
I'm not chill up. Not go. Like, that's not you. I knew that was some blood when you did that, so. The heat is hell. Stop, you have to say. No, yes, you don't. You feel though, yeah.
Whatever. It was a good plan.
No, it
Did it not kind of look like blood?
I knew that wasn't real blood when you walked in with it on your hand.
Why? 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 Oh my god. No, I'm so mad. No.
Go clean it up. You want to go do that?
Oh my god. Okay, so that was a fail. Whatever. It was the first prank.
Early in the morning.
I guess next time, try again. I'm gonna actually have to clean this now, so. Yeah, yeah, MYCrew, just let me know what you think I can do to actually, like, successfully.
It's war!
To successfully prank him, because I told you he doesn't, like, fall for things easily, so. Guess I have to come better than this. So, yeah. Give this video a thumbs up. And go ahead and comment what you think I should do next, because I'm really kind of disappointed. But yeah, what do you think? Come here.
I was wet.
Whatever. Bye, MYCrew.